Paçoca Brazilian peanut candy. Ingredients: 9 whole graham crackers, 1 3/4 cups dry roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 can, 14 ounces, sweetened condensed milk, half teaspoon vanilla extract, Himalayan sea salt. Directions: line a 9-inch square baking pan with parchment, letting ends extend up sides. Place graham crackers and peanuts in a food processor, pulse until just ground. Add sugar, process 10 seconds. Add sweetened condensed milk, vanilla and salt. Pulse until dough comes together. Press dough into prepared pan. Refrigerate, covered, at least 4 hours or overnight. Lifting with parchment. Remove from pan. Cut into squares. Store in an airtight container.